Welcome back, everyone. Today, I'm diving into a game changer, the gut-skin code. If you're vying for clear skin and a slimmer waistline, listen up. Fiber could be the secret weapon you've been overlooking. Stick around as I unlock 3 pivotal fiber hacks that could transform your health. Imagine this. A 2025 study examined 25,000 microbiome profiles and found massive fiber mistakes we're all making. First up, let's talk hydration timing. MIT's latest findings reveal that hydrating psyllium husk for 30 minutes boosts short-chain fatty acids by 580%. These fatty acids play a crucial role in reducing skin inflammation. Picture this. A model who battled cystic acne cleared her skin in just 6 weeks by timing her flaxseed drinks. Incredible, right? Next, we have fermentation alchemy. Cambridge's 2025 trial showed that fermenting oat bran for 72 hours creates new butyrate strains. Butyrate is like rocket fuel for collagen production, which is essential for glowing skin. Here's a pro tip. Add raw cacao to your oat bran. It enhances the growth of Akkermansia, a gut bacterium that helps detox your skin. Lastly, the prebiotic synergy. Stanford discovered that combining chicory root and garlic increases anti-inflammatory cytokines by 470%. These cytokines regulate sebum production, which is a game-changer for those with oily skin. Dr. Priya Varma, a leading researcher, emphasizes that our fiber prep isn't just nutrition, it's dermatological programming. Mind-blowing, huh? Gut-skin blueprint, transforming basic fibers into skin-clearing, waist-shrinking superfoods, fiber preparation timelines, anti-inflammatory recipes, detailed microbial strain maps, skin code, and subscribe. So what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up if you're ready to unlock the power of fiber. Thanks for watching, and here's to a healthier you.